right behind me over here is our beach house for 2022, and I'm gonna show you a tour of it. I'm gonna do this to keep the trend going since I did it the past 3 years. I did it in 2020.
Right now, I am going to show you a tour of the beach house.
I did it in 2021. Hey guys, we just arrived at our beach house, and now I'm gonna show you a tour of it. All right, so there it is, and now I'm gonna do it this year. So that's the house right there, and now let's go inside. So, right when you enter this beach house, you enter in this main living room. There's like a loft up there, which is really cool, and then it goes right to the kitchen. Let's just do a 360 of this room to show everybody how it looks. Very nice tall ceilings. And now let's go into the kitchen. So here's the kitchen, also the dining room. And right over here, there's this really cool stove. It's like built into this island. Coming out of there, we have this little room. It's pretty cool. It leads out to the outer deck. So actually, let's go out there. This deck is very nice. It's not a huge backyard, but just right here is very nice. And this is the back side of the house. And while I'm here, I'm just gonna show you the side yard real quick. Just a bit of grass over here. And just so you know, this house is like a quarter mile from the beach. I could easily bike there or skateboard. And yeah, that's very nice. So we can just go down there anytime. There's also this nice table to eat at. Now if we come back inside, so now we're back in the kitchen / dining room area, and there's a garage door right here. You can just see in there. Very cool. We just have like the surfboards, and there's some bikes in there. There's also a refrigerator in here. All right, let's get back out of this garage, and I'll continue with the tour. All right, so now I'm gonna continue the tour and go over that way over there. So if we come down this way, we have this, which is the basement. It's not a finished basement or anything, but just kind of regular basement. You can go down there. I'll show you that later. This right here is the bathroom. At least one of the 3 bathrooms. Come on this way, and this is the first bedroom on the first floor of this beach house. And then here's the other bathroom right off of the bedroom. There's a nice shower over here. It's actually really big. It goes back all the way that way, which I think is pretty cool. And there's this like jacuzzi thing. It even has jets that come out of the side. And now, that pretty much concludes the tour of the first floor. So let's go up to the second one. This is the room we started in. Now I'm just gonna go upstairs and show you a tour. So this is actually my favorite part of the whole entire beach house. This is the loft on the second floor. That's where we came in the door. And then that's the living room down there. And this is the loft. It goes over the kitchen, and there's a couch over here. This is where I edit my videos, and I have this thing right here right now. It's like a little balance board. It helps you like practice balancing for surfing and stuff like that. Pretty cool. So yeah, this is where I edit my videos. This is actually where I'm editing the video that you're watching right now. Pretty cool. And then there's a shelf up there. Very nice. Just has a few stuff on it. Come check this view out. It's pretty cool. Of the kitchen from up here. Alright, so now let's go out of the loft and let's show you the last few bedrooms and stuff. Over this way is the third bathroom. It's a little bit smaller than the other ones, but it's still nice for upstairs. And then you come out of there and go into this other bedroom, which is the first one on the second floor. It's just a nice little room, and it also has a walk-in closet. Now I'm gonna show you my room in this beach house. It's right over here, right next to like where you walk in on the upstairs. You just come in here. And it's pretty nice. We just got a bed here. We also have this bed right here. This is actually a bed. And then a pull-out bed right here for other people to sleep there. And yeah, that's my little like desk, I guess. And this is another walk-in closet that is in here. Look, I can fit like easily in here. It's very nice. All right, so now I'm gonna go back to the second floor and show you the basement. So let's just go down here. It's basically just a washer and dryer over there. That's pretty much it for down here. You can also get to this basement from that door. It just leads up to the outside. So let's go back upstairs. So that's gonna conclude this video for the Beach House Tour 2022. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe. I'll be posting some other cool videos at this place. So yeah, see you next time.